Think your hiccups are annoying? Wait till you hear this. The world's longest hiccup lasted for 68 years. A man named Charles Osborne from the US started hiccuping in 1922, and he didn't stop until 1990. Doctors estimated he hiccuped over 430 million times in his lifetime. Can you imagine living your entire life with a hiccup every few seconds? So next time you get the hiccups, be thankful they don't last 68 years.